Dear students, in this video lecture I am going to explain uh, how to sort a list of elements using Bytonic sort. The list is not in Bytonic sequence. Coming to here, sort the following sequence using Bytonic sort. See, when the list is given, first the solution, we have to verify the sequence is Bytonic sequence or not. Coming to here, 5 increasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. That means it is not in increasing and decreasing sequence. So the given sequence is not in Bytonic sequence. So to sort the list in sorting order using Bytonic sort, the list must be in Bytonic sequence. Here we observe that the given sequence is not in Bytonic sequence. So first you have to convert the given sequence into Bytonic sequence. Solution, start with the given sequence is not a Bytonic sequence. First convert the sequence into Bytonic sequence. Conversion, how to convert sequence into Bytonic sequence. Divide the list into two halves. Make the list 1 in increasing order and list 2 in decreasing order. What the Bytonic sequence says that first the sequence, the numbers in the sequence first to be in first sequence in increasing order, then decreasing order. Now we divide the list into two halves and try to make first list in increasing order, second list in decreasing order. Now see, the list is divided into two parts, 5, 9, 13, 9, one list, list 1, 73, 48 in second list, list 2. Now take the list 1 to make the list 1 in increasing order. See, compare the elements with length 2. Convert it into increasing order, length 2. So 1 to compare, give it to the one comparator, 9, 9, give it to one comparator. What happened? 5, 13, give it to the one comparator. What is the output generate comparator? 5, 13 only. 9, 9, 9, 9 only. Now compare the elements with length 1. Now 5, 9, give it to the one comparator. 13, 9, give it to another comparator. 5, 9, what is the output of comparator? 5, 9 only. 13, 9, what is the output of comparator? 9, 13. Now see, this is the list after length 1 is over, length 1 comparison is over. What is the output? 5, 9, 9, 13. Now this is in increasing order. That means we are going to convert the list 1 in increasing order. Now take the second list and make that the second list as decreasing order. Now what is the second list? 73, 48. It is increasing and decreasing order. So apply. Now you have to apply, compare the elements with length 2 to see the decreasing order. So ఎందుకని సెకండ్ లిస్ట్లో ఉండే ఎలిమెంట్స్ డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉండదు కాబట్టి యూ హ్యావ్ టు సీ దీస్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్నాయో చూస్తాం అన్నమాట. నౌ సీ, compare the elements with length 2 to see decreasing order. సో 340 ఇస్తాము. 340 ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాము? 340 ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్న డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్న చూస్తాము. డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉంటే సో డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్నాయో చూసుకోవాలి. డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ లేదు కాబట్టి స్వాప్ చేస్తాం. కాబట్టి ఏమొస్తుంది? 43 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 78 చూస్తాం. డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో 78 యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ రాస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ కంపేర్ the elements with length 1 to see decreasing order. So length 1 40 70 decreasing order లో ఉన్నాయో లేదు స్వాప్ చేస్తాం. 70 40 వస్తాయి. 3 8 డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్నాయా? నో, కాబట్టి 8 3 వస్తాయి. నౌ లిస్ట్ 2 ఈజ్ ఇన్ సార్టింగ్ ఆర్డర్. నౌ అప్లై బైటానిక్ సార్ట్ టెక్నిక్స్ list 1 and list 2. Now we are converting the list 1 and list 2 into list 1 is increasing order, list 2 in decreasing order. Now again we applying the botanic sort directly. In botanic sort, compare the first and fifth, second and sixth, third and seventh, seventh and fourth and eighth, and give it to the comparators. Already we know how to give the comparators. So result is that one. Next, divide the list into two halves, list 1 and list 2, compare with length 2. Now again 5 8 give it to the first comparator, 9 8 second comparator, 79 third comparator, 14 30 fourth comparator. Now see 5 8 given comparator. What is the output of comparator? 5 8 5 8 only. 9 3 3 9 only. 17 9. What is the output of comparator? 9 70. 40 13 30 40 will get. So this is the list we get after comparison with length is over. Again we start with comparison with length 1. Now see 5 3 8 9 9 13 17 40. So compare with the two elements, first two, next two, first two, next two, the two parts. Now the four comparators start their execution at a time. So see 5 3, what is give it to the comparator, what is the output generate? 3 5 because comparator less value first, maximum value next comes. 8 9 8 9 will get. So 9 13 9 13 will get. 70 40 40 70 will get. So this list is in sorted order. So this is an example how to sort a given list using botanic sequence. The sequence is not in a sorted order. Once again I will explain the first conversion of non-sequence into sequence. So the given list is not sequence order, so you have to convert this into botanic sequence. For that we divide the list into two halves, and list 1 and list 2. Now take the list 1, make it increasing order, take list 2, make it decreasing order. Once you have to take the increasing order, you first and second, third, second and fourth. When this comparison we see that increasing order, 5 13 increasing order, okay, no problem, 5 30 right, 9 9 as it is you write. Next, compare with the length 1 with increasing order or not. 5 9 increasing order, yes. 13 9, no, so you change it. 9 13. So this is the how to make a list in increasing order. Later take the second list and see that to make the second list in decreasing order. For decreasing order, we see that first and second and third, when comparison made with length 2, to keep in mind whether it is in decreasing order or not. If it is not decreasing order, swap it. 3. First and third, are the decreasing order? No, increasing order, got to swap it. So 40 and 3 was next. Second and fourth, is it increasing order? No. Decreasing order లేదు కాబట్టి decreasing order, yes, కాబట్టి as it is will take it. Next, compare with the length 1 and consider decreasing order. Now 40 70, compare it. Is it in a decreasing order? No, swap it. 70 40. Now 3 8 means not in decreasing order, so swap it again. 8 3. Now we will get 70 40 8 3. So once it is converted into decreasing order, first is increasing order, second is decreasing order. Now combine both and apply the botanic sort. Already we know how to sort the sequence in botanic sort, botanic sequence, how to apply the botanic sort to sort the elements, already we know. Thank you. This is the example how to sort the given list using botanic sort if the list is not in botanic sequence. First you convert the botanic sequence, then apply the botanic sorting.